Why are so many creators wasting hours editing videos and paying for expensive tools when AI can now do everything in minutes entirely for free? Think of it like this. In the past, you needed separate apps for script writing, browsing stock footage, voiceovers, editing transitions, and exporting. It took forever, was complicated, and for most beginners, impossible to keep consistent. That's why so many channels never even get off the ground. But here's the secret. There's now an easier way to create professional, faceless videos with no equipment, skills, or big budget. That's where CapCut's brand new AI Video Maker comes in. This tool doesn't just help with editing, it handles the entire process for you. With a few simple clicks, you can produce polished, professional-sounding videos that can reach millions. And the best part, it's currently free to use. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use CapCut's AI Video Maker to grow your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel faster and easier than you ever imagined. Let's get started. To begin, visit the official CapCut website. I'll include the link in the description. From there, download CapCut for Windows or Mac. The process is straightforward. Click download, and the software will install in just a few moments. Once installed, open CapCut. On the main interface, you'll see the AI Video Maker option. Click it to access a new dashboard featuring 4 powerful tools: Instant AI Video, Brainstorm with AI, AI Avatar Video, and Match Media to Script. Scroll down and you'll also find a collection of trending, free video templates to jumpstart your AI video creation. To create your first video, you'll need a topic. Click Brainstorm with AI. Once the interface loads, type in any idea. For example, horror content is currently trending, with creators gaining millions of views from both long-form and short-form horror videos. Let's say you type dark web horror stories people have actually lived through. After clicking Create, you'll receive several relatable topic suggestions within a minute. If you want more ideas, simply click Generate More. When you find a topic you like, click Explore to dive deeper. If it still interests you, select the Pick option and then click Generate. At this stage, you'll be prompted to set the video duration. For now, set it to 1 minute since we're creating a short video. In the More Requirements section, type the types of scenes or the video tone you want, then click Generate again. Once the script is generated, click Use. Next, you'll need to create the voiceover. On the left-hand side, click Scenes, then select Voice. Choose any character voice you like, for example, Ladies Man. After selecting a voice, click Apply to all scenes. It will take approximately 2 minutes to generate the voiceover. When the voiceover is ready, set the video ratio to 9:16, as we're creating a short video. Next, under Scenes, click Media. You'll see 3 options: Generate AI Media, Match Your Media, or Match Stock Media. To reduce the risk of demonetization, choose Match Stock Media. For this video, however, select Generate AI Media. Choose the style that best fits your content. Since this is a horror video, select Horror Style and click Apply to all scenes. Within 2 minutes, your video will be ready. If you don't like a particular scene, click Replace. You can either select a different style or use stock media. For now, keep the same style and click Generate. This will provide 4 different image options to choose from. Select the one you like, click Add to Scenes, and return to the main page. You can edit your video here, but for more advanced and precise editing, click Edit More in the top right corner. This will take you to the CapCut editing page. Next, select all the captions and adjust the styling and colors as you prefer. Once that's done, add some transitions between each clip to give your video a smoother vibe. Then click Audio and choose the appropriate background music. For a horror video, search for horror background music, select the best one, and adjust it accordingly. After that, add some sound effects to each transition to give the video more originality and impact. And that's it. Now let's check out the final result.
He went on the dark web for fun, but what followed still haunts him every night. He just wanted to see what all the fuss was about, but ended up stumbling into a live stream that he can never unsee. This is just one of the 7 true, chilling stories we're diving into today. From mysterious red rooms and cryptic puzzles that lead to real-world danger, to terrifying encounters with individuals who should have stayed hidden in the shadows. The dark web isn't just a place for tech geeks. It's a digital Wild West where the unimaginable becomes reality. These aren't just urban legends. They are first-hand accounts from people who ventured too deep and saw things that will forever be burned into their memories. Ready to explore the abyss with us? Make sure you resubscribed.
The result turned out perfectly. However, if brainstorming feels too time-consuming, CapCut's Instant AI Video feature is the fastest option. Click it, and when the page loads, you'll see settings on the right. Here, you can choose a video style, select the aspect ratio, and click Generate Script. For example, let's create a history video, as historical videos are gaining significant views lately. Type your topic under Generate Script, select a style, such as neoclassic, prehistoric, or Roman art, and then choose the aspect ratio. Since this video is for YouTube, select 16:9. Next, choose a voiceover from a character that suits your content. Set the video length and click Create. In 2 to 3 minutes, CapCut will deliver a complete, ready-to-use video. You can make additional adjustments if needed. On the right side, click Elements to select a caption template that fits your video. Under Music, search for relevant tracks. For example, for a history video, search History and choose the music that best suits your content. Finally, click Edit More to add transitions, sound effects, and any other necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied, the video is ready to go. Let's check out the final result.
Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happened on the exact day the dinosaurs disappeared? We all know an asteroid was involved, but let's travel back 66 million years and experience the most dramatic day in Earth's history, minute by minute. Picture this. It's a peaceful morning in the late Cretaceous period. A majestic Tyrannosaurus Rex is watching over its young, and herds of Triceratops are grazing calmly. Suddenly, a new, terrifyingly bright star appears in the sky. It gets bigger and brighter with each passing second. This isn't a star. It's a 6-mile wide asteroid hurtling towards Earth at over 40,000 miles per hour. The impact is unimaginable. The moment it strikes the Yucatan Peninsula, it releases energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. A blinding flash of light vaporizes everything at ground zero. The shockwave travels faster than the speed of sound, flattening forests for thousands of miles in every direction. Gigantic tsunamis miles high race across the oceans, engulfing coastlines around the globe. But the immediate devastation was just the beginning. The impact ejects trillions of tons of superheated rock and dust into the atmosphere. As this material rains back down, it heats the air to oven-like temperatures, essentially broiling any creature not sheltered underground or deep in the water. The sky turns dark, plunging the Earth into a nuclear winter that would last for years. Without sunlight, plants withered and died. The entire food chain collapsed, from the humble plant eaters to the mighty apex predators.
Now you know how to create AI videos using CapCut. Next, let's explore the AI avatar video feature, perfect for faceless YouTube channels, narration-based content, or brand promotions. Click to open it. On the right-hand side, under My Avatars, you can create your own avatar by uploading a selfie video followed by a consent video. Once both are uploaded, submit them, confirm the terms and policies, and click Next. Under the Recommended section, you'll find hundreds of ready-made AI avatars from various categories, such as educational, spiritual, lifestyle, and more. Choose an avatar that fits your content. The voiceover will automatically match the selected character. Next, type your idea under Generate Script and click Create. Within a minute, your AI talking avatar with voiceovers will be ready. To finish, go to Elements and select a caption template that suits your video style. Then click Export. Enter the file name, set the quality to high, and choose the resolution. You can select up to 4K, but for now, choose 1080p. Finally, set the frame rate to 30 FPS and click Export again. And that's it, your video is ready. Let's view the result.
Want to turn your passion into a paycheck? Let's talk about building a personal brand that actually pays you. Forget trying to be everything to everyone. The secret is to find your niche. What are you genuinely passionate and knowledgeable about? That's your starting point.
You saw how amazing the AI avatar feature is. Now let's move on to the next free AI tool by CapCut, Match Media to Script. Click to open it, then upload your media files here. You can either generate a new script by entering your topic, or if you already have a script like I do, simply paste it in. After that, choose your preferred voiceover and hit Create. Within a minute, your compiled video will be ready. Next, pick the perfect caption template that matches your style, and finally, click Export. And that's it. Let's check out the result.
Meet Alex, a curious boy with big dreams. One day, a friendly robot appeared in his room. Together, They imagined a whole futuristic city, building amazing structures from glowing data. Suddenly, the room burst with light, and Alex transformed into a hero.
Before we wrap up the video, here's another cool AI feature recently added by CapCut. You can now generate unlimited high-quality images for free. Head back to CapCut and click on Create Project. On the left side, you'll see the AI Media option. Tap on that. Then, under AI Images, select the Seedream 4.0 model, which is the newest one. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and type your prompt in the prompt box. If you have a reference image, you can upload it. But for now, I'll skip that. Just click Generate, and CapCut will instantly create 4 different camera angle images. You'll notice how detailed and high quality they look. To download any image, just tap the 3 dots next to it and hit Download to save it. Let's try another one. I'll paste a new prompt, hit Regenerate, and there you go, pure magic again. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If you want me to cover CapCut's AI tools in more depth, or if you're facing any issues, drop your questions in the comments. The download link for CapCut is in the description, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.